Hi, good people. As Metternich once observed it and said, order is the first condition. And today I bring you every electrician should be having at least. As in, today I'm going to talk about what we call professionalism. Abantu abasinga, most electricians out there, they are not professional. As in, what do I mean? As in, how they do their paperwork. At times, abantu abasinga, the most electricians, tebayina paperwork. Instead of them doing something right, but they do it in a wrong way. They do good work, but besides that, anyway, I'll first show you how paperwork looks like. Like right now with me here, I'm holding a proposal. And how do you present your proposal to the client? I think our producer so how we present the proposal to the client. Check it. This is, I think it's a 6-page proposal. By the way, I think abantu abasinga, they ask, Ketsi, where do you get big contracts? First of all, me, I get big contracts from being profession, recommendations, but each singer, someone recommends me because I have been profession to him. And one of the electricians asked me, what is your challenge? As in, what do you fear? And Chemani Ondaba. So me, I will tell you, my challenge is myself. Reason being, why do I say that my challenge is myself? It's me who decides if let's say I'm going to node. It's me who decides when I'm supposed to node. And it's me who decides that when I'm going to node, I should make my den. As in, if I say that I should make my den, as I literally mean, I should make my bed. Kati checho. So guys, let us not compete with Owamasanyazimu. No. Suppose bakulese ku site. Me, I would advise, don't talk. Oli tomogere anyo. Reason being, naye abada nonya ichokulya, like the way you're doing it. So abamasanyazi banange, Juliani, Kuni, Hamdami, Bashi. By the way, we should try Owamasanyazimu no mu protecting ko mulage client. Be frank to the client. Omugambe, this was done wrongly, but it is supposed to be done like this, like to make a proper thing. But still, naye chiche kyakoze kitegeeza kisokola. So I remain Anaife Jonas, the CEO, Kids Electrical Company Limited.